Yesterday's weather was wild. Wild. Let's break it down. We're talking about Thursday, July the 10th. I'm recording this on Friday morning. So I've had quite a few days of Denver weather here where, of course, we've had some wacky stuff. Yesterday, I would put up there in the top 10 in terms of the wildest weather I've seen. So let's start things off with what we saw when we woke up, or before you woke up on Thursday morning. We had a 70 mile an hour wind gust at a Denver International Airport at 4:10 in the morning. Not only is that a crazy strong wind gust, which prompted a severe thunderstorm warning, all that took place in way early in the morning, that was also the strongest recorded wind gust at Denver International Airport in over 5 years, going back to June of 2020. So a really strong wind gust at a really weird time. You had a severe thunderstorm warning. You also had a 70 mile an hour wind gust down at the Centennial Airport as well. Wackadoodle stuff. So let's move on from that. Then it also prompted a heat spike. It was warmer yesterday at 4 a.m. than it was at 4 p.m. Let me repeat that. It was warmer at 4 a.m. than 4 p.m. Our low temperature yesterday was recorded at 2:14 p.m. So what happened? We had a heat burst. We had essentially downslooping winds from these storms yesterday morning, that 70 mile an hour wind gust that spiked our temperatures. And we were actually at 88 degrees just before dawn on Thursday morning. That's crazy stuff to be that warm at that point in the morning. And then eventually during the day, we actually got a traditional storm, which decreased our temperatures. Final thing I'll leave you with is we not only had that 70 mile an hour wind gust in the morning, 10 hours later, we had another severe thunderstorm warning, another severe thunderstorm that produced a 58 mile an hour wind gust. So that meant you had two severe caliber storms 10 hours apart, one at 4 in the morning, producing the strongest wind gust in 5+ years for us in Denver. And we had temperatures that were way warmer in the early morning, the pre-dawn hours, compared to the afternoon. I don't know how crazy weather gets for you, where you're from, but to me, that's a pretty wacky weather day.